Hi everyone, this is Gala from Outline Planner, and for those of you who don't know me, I turn the iPads into the cozy homes of goals, thoughts, and daily notes. Inside this video, I'm going to answer a question I received recently, and this is a type of question I often get from my customers because most of you are not just using this planner for life matters, you are also using it for your work matters. And the question is, how can I quickly find the notes that are connected to a particular client? So let's say you have Alex for a client and you write down your contract detail notes and you write down some meeting notes information and you write down some projects information and you put all this information inside the planner in dedicated sections. One way to quickly find those pages is by using the tag feature. I'm using Noteshelf app right now, and you can usually click the plus sign, and in order to find the tags, you will have to go to the third icon here on the top, which is the tags, and then page tags. This is where you find your tags. But now let's go back one step, and I'm showing you step-by-step process on how to capture your notes for Alex, who is your client, and then find them very quickly. First of all, you might want to go to the People's page and create Alex's profile under a particular category. So here's the category I'm going to choose, and I'm going to put here Alex. And next I'm going to slide, and in this page here I'm going to put down Alex contract details and more information. The next step, this is very important, is creating the tag for Alex. So I'm going to tap here and say Alex, done, and here you go. You have created Alex's tag, and from now on, every single note you take in this planner, you will tag that page with Alex. So let's say you're going to go to the projects next, and then inside the projects you'll pick a category where you want to save Alex's project, and then you have, let's say this one here, it's Alex's project. You can also tag this page if you want to find it, and then I'm going to use this page here to add some details for Alex's project. Just put down here whatever you want, and the next thing you should do is to tag it. Just stop there, hit done, and you're good to go. You can do the same if you're taking meeting notes. So let's say, for example, you go in May, and in week 20, you have a meeting with Alex. Okay, and I'm going to circle this one here because this way I will know I have written content on this page. And then I'm going to add my notes. I'm going to go next to the tags and add Alex tag, and I'm good to go. Now, if I have, for example, a particular note here on this planning page, like very important note for Alex, if I find it relevant, I can also tag this page, the planning page, with Alex tag. And now, in order to find all those particular pages you have written inside your planner, all you have to do is go to Pages. Again, I'm using Noteshelf, so this is how you do it. You go to Pages section, and here where it's a small icon for the filters, you tap that icon and click Tag. And inside here, there is your recently created tag, which is Alex. Since this is the only tag you have created, by default, all those pages tagged with Alex are displayed. But if you have more tags here, just tap on the exact tab you want to look for, and then you'll have the pages below. So you see I have a planning page with notes for Alex, and I have a meeting notes page and the project notes page and the profile page. And if I tap any of these, I'm going to go directly to those pages with Alex's project or Alex's note or Alex's information or whatever. So keep in mind you can do that using the tags. One note you should be aware of in Noteshelf: you cannot delete tags. So I suggest to be aware of that whenever you create tags, because you cannot delete them, and you don't want to create like hundreds of tags inside your notebook because it's going to get overwhelming. That's my tip, and I think it's very useful for you to start using today. If you have any more questions, drop me a message or write me a comment, and I'm going to try to create videos on other tips and on other ways to use your planner even better.